Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save your project in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with that account. Now within the video tab, you can just create a new one, or if you want an existing project, tap on the file icon given at the below. Here are the list of the projects. Tap on any project. Once your project opens, you can just start adding or editing your script, visuals, voiceovers or background music. Any changes you make are saved automatically in real time. When you are done editing, simply tap on the back arrow or close the editor. Fliki will keep your project safe without needing any confirmation. Now you will see the project is still being listed in your file section. You can just tap on it again to continue editing. When you reopen the post, you can see that the changes is successfully saved. If you want to download, you can just simply download through the download icon, or if you want to preview it, you can just tap on the preview icon. And that's it. You have successfully saved your project in Fliki. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.